everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can create an account on Facebook. So for that, first of all, you tap upon the Facebook application that you have downloaded. This will direct you to the home page of Facebook. Here you need to click on create new Facebook account. Tap on next over here. To create Facebook account, you will need to provide your personal information. So let's begin. First of all, you provide your name. Type in the last name. Tap on next. Provide your date of birth. Tap on next. Choose your gender. Tap on next. You need to provide your mobile number for the sign up. You can also sign up with the email address as well. You need to tap on sign up with email over here. Now you provide your email address for the signing up. Type in your email address and then tap on next. You choose a password for your Facebook account. Once it's done, you tap on next again. Finish signing up. You tap on sign up. Do you already have a Facebook account? If you already have it, you can tap on yes, find my account. If this is a whole new account, you tap on no, create new account. This will begin the creating of your Facebook account. Now you need to provide a account confirmation. For that, Facebook has sent you a code to the email address that you have provided. So you need to go to the mail and look for the code from Facebook. Tap upon the mail. There's the Facebook mail. You can either copy this code over here or you can just here tap on confirm your account. It's a both way. You can choose any process that you find easy. I'm just gonna copy this code and I'm gonna paste it over here on the confirmation box. Tap on paste, tap on confirm, and the confirmation of your account has been successful. Now here you need to provide a profile picture so that your friends on Facebook can find you. Add picture, choose from gallery, tap on save. And with that, your Facebook account has been created. It's a very simple process for creating a Facebook account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.